In this guide, you will learn how to professionally package printable wall art for Etsy, transforming a single image into a complete, organized set of print-ready files. Selling printable art on Etsy is more than just the design. It's about providing a professional download experience. Customers expect multiple sizes and ratios to fit various frames. Let's head down to the upload section to get started. First, we'll upload our artwork. I'll just pick this bossy baby graphic from my local drive. Providing 300 DPI files is crucial for print quality and keeping your Etsy ratings high. Now for the magic part, choosing your ratios. International customers often need ISO sizes like A2 or A4. Notice how ResizeFlow flags if your image might lose quality at larger sizes. That's a great safety check. The 2:3 ratio is a staple for wall art. We can select common frame sizes like 24:36 or 12:18. This saves you the headache of manually resizing every file in Photoshop. Let's add 3:4 and 4:5 ratios too. Covering these common aspect ratios ensures that no matter what frame your customer has, they'll have a file that fits perfectly without awkward cropping. Finally, we'll grab some 5:7 and square options. Offering this variety reduces customer confusion and support requests, which is a huge win for a busy Etsy seller. Under resize behavior, smart center crop is usually best, but for some designs, stretch to fit works well too. Since we want the best quality for those big prints, let's enable AI upscaling and then hit Generate Large Previews. This gallery view is perfect for a final check. You can click into each one to make sure the framing and quality look exactly right across all 6 ratios before we package them up. Everything looks great. Let's click Download Printable Pack. ResizeFlow is now handling all the heavy lifting, upscaling, resizing, and organizing everything into a professional zip file for us. Done. We'll save this directly to our desktop. Now, let's take a look at how these files are actually organized. Proper folder structure is key for a professional customer experience. Look at this organization. Instead of a messy pile of files, ResizeFlow has created clear folders for every ratio. This makes it incredibly easy for your Etsy customers to find exactly what they need for their specific frame. And we're back where we started, but with a complete product ready to list. It really is that fast to go from one image to a professional printable wall art package. Great job! Now you can package your printable art like a pro and give your Etsy customers a top-tier download experience. Head over to ResizeFlow.com to try it out for yourself.